Hey there. I know it's ads. I know. We'll wait for the ads. While I try to remember what we were, where we were. I mean, I know what I'm supposed to do. I guess. So let's go to our declaration backend. That's where we declare generics, I think. Wait, how do we do this again? So we have this. Hey Nigel. So we have this. Also, today's gonna be a short stream. Flee. You can't flee. Also, where did your beige go? It wasn't there last stream already. You cannot flee because this plush is not yours. Well, whatever. Today's short stream. That's all you need to know. They have work to do. And yeah, I was about to add generics here. Not like this. This. Why does this have a translation? Why? YouTube translates hi to this. How do I disable automatic translation? I hate this. I need a better YouTube chat client. Hey Penguin operator. Have many blushes to cage now. Source YouTube live chat client. Messages and allow stream to spotlight selected chat message. BS integration. I don't want to BS integration. Yeah, I guess I'll have to hover for now. I need to find a better YouTube chat. Wait. Anyway, I was going to add generics, but it's not like this. So it's like it's named in generics or params. Generic params. The back of what? Of names, symbol. I assume names. Then we have regular params. And for type, it's the same. I just add this. Oops. And yeah, that's kinda annoying to deal with, I guess. Hi Nigel, Nigel is lurking. I think he should be still working. I mean, he said it's like his job ends at 3:30 my time, it's 3:29. So yeah, I know. Recall my keyboard layout. I mean, I did program before. Actually, no, I didn't. Yeah, no, I did. Why did I forget my keyboard layout? Anyway. So a macro server, yes, that's gonna be gone. Why can't I create? Oh, there we go. I wanna see if we have anything. Oh, right, we do have stuff. So let me roll it back. Let me commit, because for some reason I didn't commit. Hey there, Homelander. Wait, that sounds familiar. Okay, so that's a lot of stuff. Remove unnecessary lifetimes. Oh wait, that's wrong. That's it. Oracle, SRC, macro server. So this thing is gonna be gone for now at least. Now, so we have generic params. It's not gonna be usual generics. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. So for the backend, well, first of all, I guess we should go to Kujin. So those are where we have instances. So here I could pass in a specialization. specialization, a vec of option of type, which is, you know, interesting to say the least. Or do we do vec? Yeah, we do vex. We do vex. I mean, for types as well, I need specializations. I don't know. So we can have params. Let me think about this. Well, in generic param, or I guess type param. Well, I mean, whatever. Param, which is gonna be symbol, so that's a placeholder, or specialization, which is gonna be a type. Let's add those for this. Add generic parameter used in declaration, as in like well, I mean, I guess regular parameter, take any type value. Here we might add, oh, Christopher type. Here we might add stuff like bounds, but I don't know. If I'll do bounds, I'll probably do them differently. And also, this is backend. This is not supposed to have bounds. This is not supposed to have generics in the first place. But it does, because reasons. I wanna see how far I can implement the system I am thinking about within JVM bytecode, because I wanna do JVM bytecode at some point. Initialization. Actually, you know what? It would be nice to have patterns. It would be nice to have patterns. It would be nice to have patterns. So, like, for generics, define a symbol. It's like it's difficult. So we have again we have split between declarations and definitions. I don't know how to implement it properly. I mean, I guess instead of those are not great docs. I could do generic param here. And here. So we would match two params. But I don't know, does it make sense to have this params? I mean, I could also do the wrapper thing. So I'm supposed to supply parameters. Supposed to declare. So like for functions it's easy. I just pass symbols here. And then in the declaration, in the definition, the code, I do specialization. But then again, what if I wanna do some fancy stuff? Like for the case where types are identical or something. I mean, I guess that's not gonna be there. Gotta bring simplicity still. We have specialization. That's for functions. So it's like either there is a type or it's the same placeholder. Then for, well, again, if I want partials, so like you have a generic function, and then you have a specialization where its parameter is generic. So something like function of t, and then we have a specialization for function of box of t, where t is still like generic. Let's see. Hey, do I need this? So that's like for all t. Do I need this? I mean, it's useful. You feel burnt out of coding. That happens. Unfortunately, I don't know how to deal with this myself. Also, did the music stop again? Of course it did. Q is failing me. So this is gonna be this would be useful. So types could be merged. Happens. I guess so type could be merged. The only thing I need to do here is place the placeholder type. So we have then pointer type parameter aka generic symbol. So we'll assign names to them to identify. I guess we could have something to convert numerical IDs to them, but whatever. By the way, this is fully compliant with C++. It just so happens to be. So we have a declaration for types. For type aliases, it's much more difficult. I mean, so like we don't have a central declaration here anymore. Can be used, doesn't have to be as well. Generic params for type maybe. How do I know what to? I don't. That's why I'm rewriting it for 1000th time. I don't know what to do. I try. So like I have that feeling, that something might work. I try it, it doesn't. But when it doesn't work, I have a feeling that something else might work. Because like this one failed, I found out something about the design, and so like I have another idea pop up. I try it. It might fail again, but it might also succeed. Didn't you ask me this question like last time? Or wait, last time was the Celeste stream. The stream before that, I'm Belarusian, so kinda close. Kinda close. I've been to Russia a few times. Check perhaps for type. Maybe any pattern. Those dogs are horrible. Type what? Per, per, what do they call it? Type per. It doesn't have to be type param. It can just be param. I mean, I guess here I could also put pass types here for I know it doesn't make sense. Like it's either I do a common design, but this doesn't make any sense. Specializations declared using this function as well. And here we'll do specializations. Yeah. So specialization is gonna be here like generic params. Generic param. So rec of type. So it's either so it's like the new names, the new symbol names. So like I mean, I don't have to. Provide whatever. See headers. Of generics. For adding generic param C type param. So it's like more like templates in C++. So like C++ templates are kinda powerful. Not gonna lie. So I need an impl. We have impulse. So I need to. I need what is it called? Monomorphizer. Or monomorphizator. Something like that. It's a scary word. This is such a scary word. But that's for later. So Cgen is gonna be angry at me. Also see IR. So I'm gonna comment this out for now. Let's see Cgen. So this is not with havers. So I need to store generics. IR is gonna be IR is gonna be IR is gonna be important here. Because if we have generic functions in like CLang, every time I generate something, I might just add more. So for IRs, this is not a problem. I guess let's do IRs then first. So, here I have the IR backend. Functions is a map of symbol. So we have this. We also need specialization. So I guess I could have a map to map, and then the key would be a set of types. And types, I don't know, types might not be hashable because I might add floats, like floating point constants here. And that's annoying. But I guess I'm gonna have to deal with it later. So we have a... So currently this is very simple. But... I mean, I guess... how do you monomorphize this properly? Back of Urku type. So this is so this is the specialization. So for generic params, I mean, I guess I could do type, which is a back of, which is a hash map. So I could very much use this hash map. So generic is a map of specialization to Urku type. So here, function signature. Do I make it generic or do I make it like so generics. I kind of have a choice. So for types, it's like. So for functions, do I allow specialization for functions? For function declarations. So like, is there a point? So like, function so it takes a generic parameter. By default, it returns. Hey Nigel, welcome back. By default, it returns i32. That's a declaration. And then, if this parameter happens to be like an f32, it will return an f32. Does this make any sense? Not really. I mean, you can still do this with types, right? But then, like, its design is different. Oh, there were 2 messages on YouTube. I mean, there are more than 2 messages on YouTube. If you're talking about YouTube chat. YouTube chat is somewhat alive. I have YouTube chat there. It's just annoying YouTube chat translated hi as this. Can you believe this? So, this will just be generic. I mean, still though. Like, I'm not trying to define a language. I'm trying to define an IR. So come on. Hey, Google. It's like really this should be just more of a symbols list. Hey, third. Classic. By the way, Nigel, you are behind on plushes. Should you catch it? Up to you. I don't know. Like, if you don't, then like Arch is gonna level up. It's gonna be difficult, more difficult to catch plushes. So that's up to you. Also, take that out of context. Should I catch Nvidia? Ooh. Nvidia was squad, wait. You can see it in your team. Kuku has 28 plushes in the plush index. Nigel, you gotta catch up. You gotta catch up. Team index. Level 8, 10 attacks and defense, 26, better than 28. That's not how it works. Also, where is your badge? Look, there is no artist badge. Why did you get rid of it? Or does it disappear again? Like, it just disappears randomly, I don't know. I have never removed it. I haven't changed anything about artists in the past week. For sure. Probably much more. Don't even use Twitch outside of streams. I mean, what would you use Twitch outside of streams for? I know they have stories, but that's like still for streamers. And like, well, anyways, just Twitch is just for streams. Check DMs or something. There are DMs, I know there are whispers, which I didn't know about. But yeah. Two things. Fixed what? Oh, wait is back. Right. So how do I do this? I honestly don't care. Or do I? No, I do. Because like other types maybe depend. It's like technically this is generic. Custom wages for this channel gets disabled by Twitch sometimes. Or me. Well, no, it's not by me. I haven't changed anything about this, I think. Robot voice, by the way. Might be me, might be... Maybe the my microphone has been acting weird recently. So it should be now fine. I mean, it always can just be me. I can just speak like a robot. You know, that happens. Human voice, by the way. So, yeah, whatever. Make this generic. So I can add monomorphization to IR. I don't know. Okay, let's go to well, first of all, I guess AR. Let's declaration backend. So this is gonna take new argument. Let me use this and or poly. Also, I need to look at the clock because I have very little time. So the stream is gonna be short. Punch glass. I think glass is dead. No, glass fled. Huh? Tower. Team. Wait, what? Oh, you're adding a space? You have a plushie named diff? It was a left, I think. Or like you're asking me, no, we don't have a plushie named diff. Like in the plushie. Huh. Kuko, okay, so no, it's not. I think Kuko, you have BTTV, don't you? Like, you have VIP, it's not supposed to like impact it. But yeah, you have BTTV, so you type team once, it goes through. Or does it? Or doesn't work anymore, huh? So I would assume it goes through once, and then the second time it would add a character at the end. Like a special character that allows you to like bypass Twitch spamming restrictions. And that character is getting interpreted as a plushie name. This is so weird though. Like look, mine works. Can I type it again? Debugger errors, 1300 errors. But that's mainly just like stuff. Bro, why? What's wrong with you? Huh. It says nothing. Like there's literally nothing I can see. So like it gets interpreted as a regular message. 7TV and FTZ. No, that doesn't work. Like no, it shouldn't. It should at least print something, right? And like you're not spamming it, as in. So if you send any message and then a bank team, I don't understand. Well, I can restart the overlay if you want. Well, no, you have members. Huh. That's so weird. It's like, did you rename something? Maybe it's trying. Well, no, if it crashed, it would have said. This is so weird. I'm restarting the overlay, hold on. Hold on, it's booting up. I need to authorize. Wait, this is authorizing for what? This is authorized broadcaster, yeah. Hold on. I have no idea who that is. Okay, Kuko, what's wrong with you? Huh. Well, the plushie dex looks correct. This is so weird. Also, don't don't mind this. I'm restoring my USB drive. Maybe it's too long. Ooh, that could be it. That could be very valid. If it would have cropped though, I feel like. Hold on. Let me see where this is. Let me use that. Hold on. Where is the team implemented? It's still like a lot of characters team. Oh wait, it's not. That's not it. Where do I have it implemented? I don't remember. I think store or something. Is this Control Shift? No, it's Control Alt O. Store. So here we have rename command. Yeah, team command. If I just that's a different one. No, you have too many. You have too many. I feel like. Okay, so I can. Plushes. Colon percentages. Format string. What is that? Format string. What is format strings function? That's like a function I have apparently. Oh, it's and. Oh, it's the and thingy. Whatever. We don't have to give anything away if you don't want to. I can also not gonna be able to. Oh wait, no, you can. Huh? Nigel has interact. Oh wait, Nigel has well, there you go. Seek help for more. You just transferred it. You just transferred the issue to Nigel. Now Nigel cannot eat. Also, Nigel got the plushie decks. One up on the plushie. I'm gonna fix it. I honestly don't know how to fix it like properly. I might just send like 5 messages or something. Hey, no, you can't. You cannot do that. That's why. This is so funny. This cursed. I'm. Let me just. Hold on. So, I'll need. Ideally, I do. So first of all, I can do this. Hold on. Save. Can you try Team Nigel again? Are you cursed? Well, no, Nigel cannot. So that's gonna be a little shorter. Well, that's what you get for brackets in your team. But yeah, so that's a little shorter. How many 26 plushes? So above 24 plushes approximately. So what's broken? Twitch message length limit. Or the plushie level is too high or something. It's like 200, well, a million or something. Yeah, no, that's no way. So as you can see, I removed levels. I removed level markings. Oh, Kukos is 23. Well, I guess above 20. I guess above 20 I just start sending a second message. So, well, yeah, format strings. I really can't do format strings here. I'll need to inline it. Where am I? Team. So. I do I do this, I do message plus equals here. I might break it, I might not if I save. So chatter team is a set of plushes. Plus equals and or message plus equals and otherwise. So this is a separator, then message plus equals this. So this is above 20 plushes. Team I. I mean, I guess I can do plushy. So separator, then var plushy colon equals this. This. Then I do if so every 20 plushes I remainder. So when it gets to 19, I break. Well, I could make it a little smarter, but I'm lazy. So when it gets to 19, I break and then I empty MSG. I kinda need else if msg.empty, if it's not something like that. Wait, elif like that. Can you guys try again? Please, alive? Is alive? Can you guys try again? Oh, my team is obviously too small. Okay, no, wait. Huh? Wait, what? So, team, your team is 2 plushes. Kuko's team. What? Oh, it's order. It's order. Hold on, it's the order. Is C good for learning how subsystems? Wait, how systems work, or should you do Rust? No, C is perfect. C is perfect. So no, it didn't broke. It's just the BDTV stuff. Hold on, I'm gonna fix the timing issue. Await get 3 create timer 0.1 time out. Try again. Hold on, test. Like that. Try again. Should be ordered correctly now. Wait, I wonder if I can get the message ID. Array of response data. Ooh, response data does have a message ID. So I can get a message ID. But yeah, no, I'm lazy to change it, to chain it. Please try again, somebody. Well, I guess I'll wait for you. So, what was I doing? You distracted me, I was doing this. There you go. There you go. It's ordered correctly now. So your team consists of 23 plushes. You love this? Well, I am not fixing it anytime soon. Nah, that's BTTV. Consider for Foxy, PlayStation. Destroyed Onosa. Well, Onosa is not destroyed anymore. Gone Mario. Mario is not gone anymore. You. My own ace. Okay, so please don't spam though. So yeah, while it splits, so it splits every 20 plushes. I could probably split every 23 plushes or something. Every 22 plushes. Ideally, I'd count characters. Ideally. I mean, I could count characters. But nah, I'm lazy. This is gonna work well enough. I mean, actually, I could count characters. It's just that if there's a plushie that's like extra long next. It could also lead to some weird behaviors when it prints all your plushes and then the next message sends exclamation point. Do I know Golang? No, I don't know it, but how do I explain it? So I tried it once. I wrote a Twitch chat IRC client, tiny one, and it worked. That's it. I guess I don't really like it. Although I have barely used it, so can I really judge it? So here instead we do entry. What's wrong with my LSP today? So here functions dot functions. Come on, LSP. Well, I guess I need entry thing. A test task can go. You're driven into go. You've died. You're what to be. You're into Golang. Very deep now. Diving. So entry sync or default insert sync entry sync name entry sync name or insert sync generic params unwrap or function name with this specialization is already declared. Well, I mean, I guess error messages can be name. It's really what we do: entry sync or default, and then insert sync in generic params. So there's that, and for code gen, yeah, so we need back of type generic params. So this is a specialization. So really I just add generic params back of type here. Then I pass generic params for this specialization. param spec of type. So I just put generic params here. Easy. And well, yeah, so since it's specialization, I do not care about so types. Do I have to worry about types? I don't think I have to. I don't think I have to worry about types. So in the destructor, so here we do entry sync self name or default insert. So right now is 4 p.m. 4:19 for me. It's probably gonna end at 5:30 or 6. 6 is very late, to be clear, so probably 5:30. So it's about 1 more hour. Yeah, I wanted to start earlier, but I woke up, then I had to prepare some more docs for applying to university, which I'm gonna do in 4 days. In 4 days I'm gonna be applying to university. Or for university. Oh, I'm excited. And yeah, and then I realized it's 2 p.m. Well, no, I realized it's 2 p.m. when I was before I started preparing docs. Then I prepared, I got everything ready. It's 3 p.m. already. I have to stream. I have to start now. Where do I want to study? In university. Or also another funny or interesting story. So I have a LinkedIn. Not many people know that, because I used to have a LinkedIn, but then I removed it. But then I got it back. I don't know why. It's not very useful currently. I just have it. And so yesterday I registered in boot.dev so that I can see some of their courses, because I'm actually teaching some people. And oh wait, this is not updated. Interesting. Yeah, exactly. So if I take a look at my LinkedIn, well, actually, the thing is, I opened LinkedIn to get my link to add it to my boot.dev profile, because why not? And it literally says the university that I'm about to apply to, and it says I'm studying there already. I'm like, what? How did you know? I'm pretty sure that wasn't me. I mean, it might have been me writing it there, but I'm pretty sure no. Well, anyway, Belarusian State University of Informatics and Radio Electronics. That's where I'm gonna go. I was kind of in a decision paralysis between 2 universities and in Besuir 2 faculties, but I think I decided everything now. So that's gonna be so a short rundown, some software engineering, some vague programming languages and stuff. Then we have systems development, I think, and Russian informatics is computer science in English. Yeah, but informatics is still a word in English. In fact, IOI, International Olympiad of Informatics, it's International Olympiad of Informatics, not of computer science, which is interesting. And that's why, in my head, informatics is really about this kind of algorithms and so the problems you would usually see on Olympiad and not anywhere in production. And for computer science is what you see in real programming. But yeah, the thing is, this university is literally called University of Informatics and Radio Electronics. So that's what I'm calling it. Better wait, better C. What was better C? Whatever. So yeah. So informatics is lit code. That's what it is in my mind. It's really not true. And since I'm going to that university, it's not anywhere close. But that's what it is in my head. It's like programming is programming and informatics is lit code. Basically. But at the same time, I didn't see lit code, so lit code is not that oriented to Olympiads, not as much as Codeforces, at least, I think. Which is what I'm used to. Better Unity. Mario Mark 2. Open source engine number 1. Okay, Kuko, please do not overfill the message length. Please. I'm not gonna be wanting to deal with it again. I mean, actually, I don't really care, I guess. You can name one plushie like infinitely long and it's just gonna break everything. It's fine, yeah, because I set a fair limit. In my opinion, it's the opposite. Informatics is the theory, computer science is the practice. Well, it's in my head, that's how it came out. That's because informatics, like, I usually hear the word informatics when I go to Olympiads. And Olympiads are just theory and like raw and like kinda useless in practice. So yeah. Anyway, I'm also gonna be going to, well, I'm planning to also take some FPGA courses and stuff like that if I can. That is because that's not included in my faculty, or actually in my. So it is in the faculty, but it's not. What is the distinction? So it's like one faculty contains directions or something. So like in my direction it is not included, but I'm gonna try to get the course anyway. Kotlin mascot Koji. Anyway, let me get back to work. So there's that. Intrinsic. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Airlib. Here display for backend. Is it really? Sig is a hash map. What? Why is there a warning here? LSP is dead. Rename heat and water steam. Take this out of context. This sounds perfect. Anyway, it starts in 45 seconds. I have no way to deal with this. Okay, so it's still ignoring that this does not exist. Name. So we go through types. Name, specs, or specs iter_sync, spec ty. Something like that. Name. So I'm supposed to like add a spec generics. I'm gonna have a reference to a slice of code type for, and and returns a string and buffer equals string from so it's brackets, then we have for ty in generics right, also it should be result string, but I really don't care. Unwrap right into buffer utref ty, or I guess I can put it in here. So then I do buffer push oh wait, this I'm gonna do commas. I'm gonna do commas. I'm gonna do if idx ty in wow into either I guess enumerate. So ty is just a ref type if idx above 0, right, well, buffer push stir comma space. So those are formatted generics. Semicolon. How could I forget a semicolon? This annotation. I guess I could move this like somewhere to Orcolib, just so that it's there. No, I don't have to do this, and I can also import. Gonna try it into mute string. Std from t right. I mean, I guess I could do two impl std fmt right, and then I just do two. Well, then I just write two, but that's kind of annoying. FMT result of nothing. Or is does the result even take generics? No, it doesn't. Well, this result doesn't. So I can get rid of buffer, I guess. Write into two. I can write opening bracket. Then I write here. I write comma space. Then here I write ty. I would not say kind of hate the fact that write can fail. I mean, it's fair, but it's you're not gonna see this unless you're writing to a terminal or something. Is write implemented for string? Oops. For mute string? I don't really know how this is supposed to work cleanly. Okay, anyway, I mean, there are multiple writes. I really don't like this. I guess I could roll back. Here. And then I import the std from t right. Yeah, this is a not the cleanest function, but it's there. Also, it's kind of annoying to have the result be like forwarded everywhere. Might also drop this idea. So there is that's for types. Now for functions. Yeah, I'll drop result. So annoying. This feels so wrong. Because those, honestly, it's because of those hitters. Those hitters are annoying to deal with. We can get rid of result. Unwrap, yes. So here for so self function or also there are specs here. I really that's gonna be so annoying to deal with. So do I really care about specs here? I could go through. Mm, that's annoying. I don't know. I don't know how to do this properly. So like here, functions really shouldn't have this. And function signature should, in theory, have generics here. But that's like messed up. No, I mean, I don't know. I don't care. It has. I mean, you can't replace me because I'm not anywhere. I'm not working anywhere. I'm not doing like useful job except for this. I don't know if this is useful. So yeah, who's gonna bother right making an AI for finishing Orco if nobody cares about Orco? So, what am I gonna do with this? Does function signature deserve to have generics? Not really. From hours to sex. Possibly, I don't know. I haven't found it to be very useful for this. So here, I guess I can do public struct. Here, I'll just add a type here. So public struct. Can you put it in somewhere? This is a bit messy. Generic params, vec of Orco type, signature. Oops. Is signature clonable? Yes, so this should be clonable. Derive clone. Also, isn't IR body clonable? No, it isn't. Well, variables statements. Expressions are clonable. Statements aren't for some reason. Because place isn't. No, place is. Huh? Is this ACF-BCF stuff? Yeah, cause label. Label is clonable though. Why is this not clonable? I mean, I guess there's background behind it. So like if you clone a statement, you mess up the label or something. This is 100% clonable. So statement can be clonable. So body can be clonable. Although I don't know if variables are. So this really can be cloned. Function decal clone debug. There is no default for function signature. There are orders and hashes, so that's how I approach my trace. What's wrong? Yeah, I think it's just LSP. I don't know, LSP today is just dying. It's not working at all. I don't know why. So here, so instead of specs, I can do decal. So I have the decal. I can do decal, and then I don't know how to present bodies. Like generic functions are really generic decals. And generic decals are really. Why are they even there? Just to be there. So it should really be just symbols. But I guess so. Function name then there's an or T generics decal generic params. So that's the end. Oh, thank you for the hydrate, Hainert soul. So decal sig, decal signature. So there is that, and then I can check for bodies. Are we generic yet? Just started to re-implement this again. So like today, this stream. Well, I guess an hour ago or something. First 15 minutes wasted or something. About. But yeah, more generics. Function definitions. Get sync. Old body. Well, I guess impulse. Impulse. Or defs. Defs. Then defs ether. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Well, I don't really have time to, because I'm gonna have to go in like 45 minutes. Unless I can feed the playtest within 45 minutes. Lore specific. Actually, maybe yes. That sounds very interesting. It's like this sounds weird. Maybe yes, I would like to. As long as I have time for that, and hopefully I'll find it. If you wanna do it like right now, yeah, sure. Well, I mean, next stream is scheduled Friday, and by the way, I am gonna try my best to adhere to my schedule. Monday was an exception. Today would have been an exception, but I was like, gosh, I haven't streamed Monday. I have not told anybody that today is not gonna be a stream, so I just can't skip it today. And yeah, well, I have a schedule. It's gonna start about the same as today, probably like an hour later. If I like do adhere to my schedule, so I will try my best. For time, I don't know. You can, by the way, you can check the schedule on Twitch. It's up to date, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna try my best to adhere to schedule within days. But time, I don't know. I might move streams around like earlier later, but it's probably gonna be similar, except Saturdays. So first of all, Saturday might move to Sundays sometimes, and second of all, Saturdays might move around in time a lot. So like they might start even later than usual weekdays. Anyway, how do I present this? So like I have devs. I have 3 stream streaks. 3 is a big number. Sure. So, I mean, thank you for joining streams. Else, return true. So yeah, I have a stream schedule now. So devs, either I could check if they are empty and say that's a decal, but like I mean, I guess I can just put a semicolon here, and then like 4 generics. Def so params or spec. So true spec body. Oops. So I'm just gonna write f. So spec for spec, and then I just body for FMT generics Orco spec body dot get. Wait, no, I don't need to get it. Just a body. Or can I? It's just a. Eh? Excuse me? Ooh, did I? Wait, what? Oh, I'm so dumb. So now, the body. It's just a body, so I can fit it here. I can unwrap this. I mean, LFP is trying its best to work. Something like that, and then like write ln. F. That is gonna be only if we had bodies. Okay, so let's piece again out to date. I can try compiling it. It's not gonna compile because not only Rust sees. Oh, Orco itself. Oh, that explains it. That explains why LSP is dead. Type param name. So that's for hashable name. What's the difference between... Whoa. What's the difference between display and hashable name? Again. Struct fields, I guess. So param is also kind of same. With symbol is also the same. So here I'll just do type param name. So here we'll write f. I guess I do hash to make sure it's visible. So just for debugging mostly. No, that's still in lib. Still in Orco. That's a lot of errors. That's a lot of errors. Wait, that's in backends. Oh, it's okay. Then that makes sense. Ooh. Okay, oops, I can just so here okay, oh, inline type aliases. Oh, wait. Yeah, right, so generics. For symbol types, I now have generics. Points to right alias. Back of type includes generics. In generics, how do I do this? I mean, I guess it's the same. Wait, no, it's not the same because it's yeah, right. So we're gonna do right. Wait, format. So we have symbol, and then in here we'll have a bit of a dirty hack. Generics, iter map collect join. Except that this is just a type, not a named thingy. Comma. I mean, okay. It's okay. And then I'll do similar, but different. Here, so I can move create FMT generics in here. really probably makes more sense in there. So where do we have this place? Here. So now it's not in crate. Not a big deal though. Generic shouldn't be an afterthought. So now in IR, really in IR lib, so in line type alias symbol name generics type. So I need a way to substitute types. Get sync name, then I need to resolve. Ooh, that's gonna be tough. Good bot. Where does the emote is not in my Twitch chat for some reason. It's broken. Oh, there it is. So IR is really gonna be helpful here. We'll be back. See you back. So I need. Oh, what's this? Wait, oh, this doesn't have to be the... Yes, this is different. So name, function decal, generic params, hijacks reside from your job. Hooray! So how are you doing? What's up? I'm gonna be preparing for Google. I'm gonna be applying for university. What's wrong with you? Oh, right. It's wrong with me. Everything is wrong with me. Okay, that. Now, here I add this. So how's Nova doing? It's cool. Later I'm gonna regret it. Trusting. Sure. I trust. So how's Nova Ertos doing? Or is it only me on it right now? If so, maybe you should give me, from experience, maybe you should give me an architecture to like start working with it. To like the first architecture it's supposed to support. Because otherwise I don't know where to start. Yeah, that seems as open as when it was. I haven't pushed. I should push it. GitHub is important so that others can see. Hello, hi, Janoob. So yeah, as you can see, I'm working on my compiler. And, well, yeah, it's a mess. So what is this? FMT, yeah, right, I moved this to types. As you hate AI, it makes you dumb. I mean, fair, I guess. Okay, so I dropped results. No field sig, cause it's signature. Write it. Haven't resigned. None. What do you mean variable none? Where can you see variable none here? Oops, so what do we have here? Right, I need some functions. Okay, so I need public function resolve. So for decals it's simple enough. Resolve type or put symbol. So name params or code type vec type or a slice technically or a vec. Probably vec because I'm gonna move it. Resolve type name a symbol, so it's gonna resolve the type, or make it an option, say like ambiguous in some cases. Self types get oh right, that's on me. Get sync name wrap or else panic type name is not declared. So let what's it, specs. Now I need to feed specs. I can make a little mode. So I need generics. Well, I don't really need it. Some whatever. Just a small file. Right? What could go wrong? So there's that, and then we'll have the public type, public function, match, best match. I guess I could make this mode public. Abilities to work with generics and specializations. I think that's what they're called in C++. Suspects generic. This is a generic function. I think that's how you write them. I have not written a generic Rust function without, like, that's not a method in a while. Why? What do you mean? Suspects params or args in this case, vec or slice of Oracle type. So we're gonna do specs dot iter sync mute my not mute result none. So certain T your reference to T and this reference to T and reference to this. What's the trying to make generics and specializations. This is the core implementation, I guess. So we're gonna have AR. Yeah, I guess AR is gonna be a very important part now. Missing lifetime specifier. A. There is no self. Yeah, it's been a while since I made regular functions like that. Which is weird. Result.expect or unwrap or else. Panic, wait, no. Well, I guess expect failed to find a specialization matching generic generic arguments. So let's return. Now here, what are we iterating through? Types and T. So key is a spec, value is entry. Those names are so arbitrary. Well, I just need to find a matching entry. Score. Heuristics. Yay! Technically -1, you know. Match score. So we have spec, iter, zip, args, iter, map, or can I count? So map, whatever. We have on the left we have param, on the right we have arg. Now I need to make sure they match. So I need match level. Learning Rust, good job. Match TY. Learning Rust. Let me reply. Oh, we have very little time left. Rust is a fun language. Yeah. It could only get funnier if you add U to fun. That's like the only way you can get you can make it funnier. You can get a funnier language. Anyway, that was a failed drop. Reading the Nant to Tetris book. Wait, there's a book. There's a book for that. Well, I mean, I guess I haven't heard about Nant to Tetris. I have seen though. I have seen Transistors to Tetris series of videos. Somewhere on YouTube. I haven't watched them fully, but still. Yes, there's one. So yeah, that's surprising, I guess, for me. Param. So match is gonna be an ICE32. I guess I can do public enum match mismatch so we have mismatch and partial level usage 2 or something like that. So that's a match. Or I guess I can make it an option of usage 2. So param is a Oracle type. Arg is an Oracle type. I guess this should be in the core crate, really. I'm gonna do drops later. So we'll return none if they mismatch. So I'll match param arg. Really? Hey! Thank you for the raid face function. Workers. How are you doing? I haven't turned into your streams for a little bit. Should probably at some point. There's been some busy weeks. So if arg is welcome. I'm making a schema UI system. Ooh. Does a wildcard match? Not really. Gonna be a long side project, I think. So so I need to evaluate how we really should do that in here. Oh, yeah, no, it's not gonna be. I mean, actually, I want all of those, but like not all combinations. So it's what, 12, I think. So error, does error match an error? Nah. So let me get into the docs. So here, if left one is the wild card and right one is a concrete type, I return 1. If right one is a more abstract type, well, I really need multiple. Settings pages. Ooh. That's difficult. So really only thing that can have generic. Actually, a lot of things can have generics. That's how it happens now. How it goes now, I guess. pointer type mutable param thread and param name, and then anything else is just none. So we have, I need to duplicate this twice. I have no idea who that is. Also, hey there. So I need. So if left one is a wild card. So if left one is a wild card. And the right one is integer unsigned. You know what? Use type. Fair. Integer or unsigned. Yeah, I don't know who that is. I know Russian. I don't know who that person is. Yes. Those were 10. So it matched some. He didn't buy crypto, Ethereum. I don't know anything about crypto except that like what it is and partially how it works. Okay, now. So if it is a param, and on the right we have a generic symbol. Symbol with some generics. I mean, I guess it's 1. Still 1. It's like using Rust and crypto. Well, I mean, Rust is used in crypto a bit, I feel like. I even got a scented job offer about Go and Rust, I think. But yeah, no, that's not what I would be doing. So if it's a wild card and it's, I mean, I really need to. So it matches here. We can have abstract and concrete types. So arcs are not gonna change. So really, this is not gonna be. This is gonna be different. Hold on. Yeah, no, wait. Wait, no, I do care. So if it's a param, it will match to 1. It's a param on literally anything, it will match to 1. Otherwise, we have this and A param doesn't. That's so difficult. A param doesn't match. Param arg if arg unless arg matches type error. Or just error, I guess I can say. So then integer. Well, I guess I can do integer or unsigned. So like, are concrete types here? Or bool. Or char. So that and so param add this pattern. You don't have to do it like that, but whatever. I'll leave this out as well. If param is equal to arg, then it's someone. So we match perfectly. Well, actually, so this matches in 0. So this does not format for some reason. Rest of MTE. Otherwise, we have all those for the left one. I mean, I guess I shouldn't have done this. I should have done it differently. Match param and then I just fill it with args. Let me comment this out. And do this. So if we have, I mean, I guess use type. I guess this is nice to have. So we have this. I mean, I guess they just this. Param add all those. If param, well, if param is this, I just return param if param is equal to arg, then someone then symbol name well, if it's a symbol, then then the arg must be a symbol. I guess I can do match arg symbol arg name arg. So we have params and args. If arg name is name, I would love to do later a let here equals arg else turn none. So if arg name does not match name, return none. Well, I mean, technically, it's not correct, which is an issue. To do. Oh, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. So I need context to match types. LGTM. Remind me what LGTM means. Oh, looks good to me. Or something. Yes. Yes. Oh, I have a little time. I need to end. So, oh, add stars. Okay. And Twitch does not let me snooze it. Well, I guess let's end here. Because I don't want ads to run. I don't want ads to run. Like, why does Twitch not allow me to snooze it? I don't think Nigel's here, so we'll raid manually. Okay, let's raid T2. He just started the stream. So yeah, because I need to run, and if I let ads run, it's gonna be annoying. Because we'll have to wait for it to end, and then raid, and then like, why? So I'll fix this probably next stream, Friday. Also join my Discord if you haven't already, or if you want to, and I'll see you. I'll see you next time. Yeah, it's kind of an abrupt ending, but well, I don't have much time. You're back. Yeah, you're back just in time. Let me just make sure this. So see you.
Even use bloody mouse cursor crap here anymore.